Hi guys, welcome back, man. So right now I gotta go evaluate a no cool call. Got a suspicion that they got a leaky evaporator coil. She's already gotten someone to come up before me. So basically she wants a second opinion, and also too she wants our company to do the work. So let me grab my gauges and let's get to troubleshooting. Hey guys, look, I want to give a shout out to my big cousin Bryce. Hey man, he's one of the reasons why I've been having some success with this AC, because a lot of stuff I don't know how to do just yet, or that I do know how to do, but since I'm not doing it every day, you know, I'll forget some things. And so my big cousin Bryce, he'll help me out. So I want to give a shout out to my big cousin Bryce. Really appreciate it, man. Want to give you your flowers while you're here. Love you, man. Let's get in here and troubleshoot. All right guys, you can see that's pretty much zero. So I think a few days ago I came out here and I did the assessment, and I put about 3 pounds in there to get her through the weekend, and because I just did not have the time to actually get over here and replace this evaporator coil. So before I go pick up this equipment, you know, I'm gonna just double check it just one more time. But you saw the pressures was at 0, so I'm gonna turn it on just real quick, briefly, and to see if I get a different reading, which I probably won't, and we're gonna go from there. So all right. Range pressure test. So nitrogen in, going up to about, heck no, it's just at 50 right now on the low side. Open the high side up. Going slow. All right, so we get 100 on the low side now. On 25. All right, now we get 150. Now we're at 150, so I need to turn this other unit off so I can listen. I can't hear them with this other unit running. Hello? I don't hear nothing from the outside. Yep. It said right at, still right at 150. I'm gonna go inside and see. I'll call you back. Say what? Yeah, I'm missing, bro. Yeah, 80p. All right, guys, so I hope y'all can hear where that leak was coming from. It was down kind of towards the bottom where the rust was. So once again, I got to thank my cousin for helping me out on that troubleshoot call. So right now we up here at the HVAC supply. We're about to get ready to pick this evaporator coil up so we can do that install first thing in the morning before it get too hot up in the attic. You know how that goes. So hey guys, look, thank y'all for watching. Go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, say what's up. Thank y'all for getting this channel to 6K subscribers, man. We'll see y'all next time back at United Tradesman Academy.